is from Peppermint Planner. I have been getting their stuff a lot lately. I just am in love with her stickers. And I love that she always personalizes everything too with my little name on there with that bunny. So sweet. Let's go ahead and open up this order and check out what I got. These first here. First, I used Chris's code, and her code is Chris25, but she has awesome girls no matter who you choose. I love her little face, actually. It says, you can do this, kiss my bunny butt, sneezing, sleep, going on vacation, groceries, it looks like, pig drinking coffee, and then the desk layout and a scalloped box. And there is Chris's IG as well. And then the bunny hug sticker. Somebody loves you. Peppermint Planner, and I've said this a couple times, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. And it has 2 quarter boxes, collect your bunny butts, Netflix binge, Happy Meal, movie nights, and coffee night. And then I got this freebie right here. It says, down the bunny butthole. So I thought that was cute. How cute is that? And then, let's see, got this Hugs and Kisses one. All this free stuff, y'all, look. And then this one right here, this die cut, it says, down the bunny butthole. Just a bigger version. I love it. I think it's so stinking cute. And then I ordered 2-page mini kit. Let me get it right here. Right there. And here's your days of the week, your top 3 checklists, half boxes, full boxes, washies, quarter boxes, habit trackers, which I love that they're all together, trash, hobos, your weather icons, and then she gives you the icons as well. Your post-it note, your to-do, groceries, to buy, work, exercise, little things, kids, next week, grown-up crap, pay the bills, clean, in school, then living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, weekend banner, scallops. I mean, she gives it all to you. Food icons, TV icons, workout, $2 Tuesday, freebie Friday, me time, post spread, day off, Monday should be optional, date night, eat out, payday, laundry, and family time. I mean, you get so much. Look at that. That is a ton. And then you get the post-it notes up there at the top as well. So I'm just going to put those 2 together right here. This die cut went with it. Peace Angels. And then I ordered this one. This one is the 4th of July 2-page. And it's a la carte, so you can get 1-page or 2-page, I believe. And it has the same exact stuff, but look how cute. I mean, seriously, y'all. She gives you so much. It's amazing. And the colors are beautiful. And then the last one I got was, actually, I am so sorry. This one right here is called Peace Angel, and this one is Sugar and Spice. I apologize, y'all. So here are the full boxes and habit trackers. I mean, it's just beautiful. Look how gorgeous. And anything that you could think of, she's got it in this kit. So absolutely beautiful. And then there was the die cut that went for that one, and then the die cut that went with this one. So you get a ton. So go check out Peppermint Planner. You will love her. She's fast on shipment. And she gives you lots of freebies, and she is awesome. Just saying. So go check her out. And I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell. Also, check out PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so you know when these sales are going on, when these companies are getting new stuff out, and when my Plan With Me's are up. All right, I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.